Today we're working on a Chevy Equinox. This happens to be a 2012 model. And what we're doing is we are manually opening up the liftgate that has lost power. Inside the vehicle, we will find a little round access plug right here. And then we'll pop that cover, and there will be the manual release for the liftgate in there. Alright, we'll take a flat bladed screwdriver and pop the cover off like that. And we'll get in there just like that. That's all there is to opening a liftgate if you lose power or have a bad switch.